Hey there, everyone. This is Melody Dixon, CEO and founder of Pro Event Planners. Welcome to the Pro Event Planners Design Studio. Today, I'll be working on part two of my Boho Chic tablescape that I'll be putting outside in the backyard. And I'll be making a centerpiece that's going to be on top of the table. All right, let's get started. Here are the supplies you'll need: hot glue gun and silicone mat, glue stick, wire cutter, wire. I'm using here a 24 gauge, but you can use something lighter if you'd like. You can replace that with using hot glue or floral tape. I have two types of spike bush. I have the blue and the peach. For this project, you're going to need about 4 peach and 2 of the blue. You're going to need 2 square foam blocks, and that I've already hot glued together. And you're going to need about 9, bushes of the peonies. Each bush has about 6 flowers. So the project uses about 49, 50, somewhere around there, depending on how tight you want the look to be. And in mine, I had 49. All right, so the spike bush looks like this. It has a couple of long leaves, and then the flowers and the berries are at the very tip. I want this centerpiece to lay at the top of the table and then have like the big bunch of peonies in the middle, and then the berries going on either side. So I've inserted 1 bunch of the peach spike bush, and then I use the wire to affix the individual stems of the second one to kind of stagger it and fill in the space. So right here there's a empty space, if you will, and I'm going to just use the wire cutter and insert this flowers right here. So let's get started with that. Here we go. Really don't need a lot. And when you do it this way, you fill in the empty spaces and give the arrangement a fuller look. So if you'd like, you can hot glue this together if you're not going to be doing anything else with the flowers, but I like to do different projects just for fun, and so I can develop my ideas and I reuse instead of just keep buying supplies. So there, pretty simple. The next step is to insert the blue, and I'm going to follow that pattern as well and insert it so that it staggers further down, and you'll have it looking like that, and then the other ones coming there. So let's do that. Pretty quick. There. Now the next step is to insert all the peonies, and I have a lovely pile right here. I like to use the very big ones at the top, so it'll have a nice full look. All right, this project is finished. Here is the completed centerpiece for my Boho Chic outdoor event. And here's the top of the arrangement, and then the sides. So in between these, I'm going to add some other decorative elements, and I'll show that to you once we go to set up outside. Like, subscribe, and share if you know someone who can use my easy DIY tips to create a fabulous event on their budget. Have them subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions that I can personally answer for you, my email address is info@myproeventplanners.com.